Hi guys, so today again we can with another informative video also. Today we will make Aaloo Bharta, how you will make Aaloo Bharta at your home. So I will show you step by step in this video. So please see this video till last, you will find how you will make Aaloo Bharta at your home. So for this I already took all this ingredient. For example, we took potato, we have to peel it and have to boil here, and when this boil finish, so we have to make our gravy like tomato. I took like onion, tomato, green chili, green coriander for garnishing, and this ginger garlic paste we took already, and like cumin seed and like whole green chili or red chili this dried. Okay, as we took oil, and also in spices normally we took red chili powder 1 spoon, and this green coriander, this coriander powder is half spoon, 1 spoon, and turmeric powder half spoon, and this black pepper to taste, salt to taste, and also this crushed chili. So all these ingredients we will use to make our this Aaloo Bharta delicious. So for this you have to see this video till last, you will find how we will make Aaloo Bharta at your home. So I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last, you will find how we will make. So first what we will do, first we have to boil our peel our potato and have to boil. When this boil will finish, so we have to mash our potato, then we will make our gravy here, then we will mix this our potato here in mixture. So I will show you step by step if you want to know. So please see this video till last. If you still not new on this channel or still not subscribe also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So let's start. I will show you step by step now. So to make this our Aaloo Bharta, I already took water and potato like this. So we have to boil first this our potato, and then we have to mash this our potato. So first we have to boil our potato. Little salt I already put here. So when this will be boil will come maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So I will show you when we will make gravy here, and I will show you. Okay. That time I took another pan, and here we have to put oil, and we have to make a little gravy here for our potato. So potato already inside, this will be boiled, and I already chopped our this our onion and tomato and ginger garlic paste. So we will make gravy little. Okay. So our oil already heated, we just put little cumin seed and this our whole this dried round chili. Okay, and have to saute this. Okay. And now I added this our onion. Okay, have to saute well. Okay, like this, have to saute onion and this our cumin seed. Okay. Till golden brown, then we will add another item. Okay. So our onion already this little golden brown, so we just add ginger garlic paste little. Okay, and have to mix well. Okay. And now we have to add our spices which I showed you before. Okay, and spices, and we have to cook 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. So I already put here all spices which I showed you before, like red chili, little turmeric powder, and this garam masala, and this our kasuri methi. So I have to mix well. So we have to add now our this tomato. So I already put this. So you just add your tomato and have to cook 3 to 4 minutes again. Okay, and this is our green chili. Okay, like this you can cut and have to mix. Any masala you can make to cook this, little water put, and have to make little gravy. Okay, to put our potato. So potato also our ready now. So I will show you when this will be done. So we have to mash our potato, and then we will add here our potato. Okay, so have to cook 5 to 10 minutes. I will show you. So now we have to check our potato. Maybe our potato is done, so we have to check. Oh wow, so we have to remove this potato now and have to mash. So I will remove in one bowl and have to mash this by. Okay, I have to remove. So I already removed in bowl, and little you have to make cool down this. Okay, because this is hot, so this will be not mashed. Okay, first we have to boil this our potato, then we will mash. So you can mash by this like this or by gloves you can, because this is hot, that's why I am not using hand. So like this you can mash potato, okay, like this you can mash, okay. So we already mash our potato like this, okay. So our gravy also ready, so we have to put here transfer our potato here, okay. So I put our potato here and have to mix well with this gravy and have to cook again 5 minutes. This will be ready. Okay. So I already mix everything. So this is already done. Little coriander you just put. Okay. So now this is ready to serve. So very good taste. 5 minutes you cook and I will show you in the plate. Okay. So this is ready to serve. You can eat with paratha or chapati like this. So this is very quick and easy recipe. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. So I will show you in the plate, okay. So after 5 minutes, okay. So definitely our delicious aloo bharta is ready to serve now. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. You can eat this with paratha or chapati. So this is very quick and easy recipe. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So I hope you will do like this. So we will come with another informative video also. So you should try at your home. I am also hungry. I should try this. So you should also try at your home. So we will come another informative video also. Still not, if you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because I told you that you will get all our informative video which we upload if you will subscribe and click on bell icon. So till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.